Professional Pipe Fabrication and Welding, a step-by-step explanation. Get ready to embark on a deep journey into the intricacies of pipe fabrication and welding. In this video, we will cover every stage, from preparation to final welding, ensuring results that meet industry standards. The first step in achieving a perfect pipe joint is beveling, where pipe ends are cut at precise angles to create the ideal groove for welding. This allows for deeper penetration and stronger fusion, ensuring a high-integrity connection. However, preparation doesn't end with cutting. The pipe surface must be thoroughly cleaned to remove any rust, dirt, or oxidation. Otherwise, weld quality could be compromised. The 90-degree elbow is also beveled like a pipe and the face is prepared for welding. The inner surface of the 90-degree elbow is also meticulously cleaned using a pencil grinder. This step not only removes contaminants but also enhances the reliability and strength of the weld. Every step in this process directly impacts weld quality and reflects the fabricator's dedication to the craft. Precision and cleanliness are the cornerstones of every flawless weld. Now, we move on to the next crucial step, aligning the 90-degree elbow to the pipe. This is one of the most important stages, as even the slightest misalignment can cause major issues in the final result. Every detail must be accounted for. The pipe and elbow must be perfectly aligned, and we use high-quality leveling tools and clamps to ensure accuracy. If alignment is off, the weld joint will experience unnecessary stress, leading to potential failure over time. To achieve optimal root penetration, a precise 3 to 4 mm gap is maintained between the elbow and the pipe. This gap allows the weld metal to flow evenly, ensuring a strong and lasting bond. Once alignment is verified, tack welds are applied to temporarily hold everything in place before final welding. For the fabricator, each weld joint is a signature. Every measurement and alignment choice showcases their skill and attention to detail. Now comes the true art of the process, welding. Each project has its requirements, and the welding method is chosen accordingly. In this example, we follow the argon welding procedure, using TIG welding for the root and hot passes to achieve deep penetration and minimal defects. The first phase involves the root pass, which establishes the initial bond between materials. Next, the hot pass is applied to strengthen and reinforce the weld structure. Subsequent layers, the fill pass and the cap pass, are applied systematically. These passes are built up carefully to create a structurally sound and visually flawless weld. Depending on the project specifications, each pass is inspected to ensure quality and eliminate potential flaws. This stage is where the fabricator's experience truly shines. It's not just about technical knowledge, it's about skill, feeling, and control. Each heat wave, each flow of molten metal, and every arc of the weld represents the craftsman's touch, turning raw materials into a masterpiece. With the pipe and elbow securely joined, we move on to the next critical phase, fitting the weld neck flange to the pipe. This step is about more than just mechanical attachment, it's about ensuring a secure, leak-proof connection. To guarantee proper fitment, the same alignment and tack welding techniques used in the elbow-to-pipe fit-up are applied here. Precision leveling and clamping tools are used to ensure symmetry and alignment. For the final welding process, TIG welding is used for the root and hot passes, ensuring deep fusion and minimal porosity. The cap pass is completed using stick welding, adding extra reinforcement and durability. Every weld bead here represents a dialogue between the fabricator and the metal. When done correctly, the result is not only strong and functional but also a reflection of the fabricator's dedication and skill. This guide has taken you through the intricate steps of pipe fabrication and welding. Every stage requires not just technical ability, but also artistry and precision. Remember, each weld you make is a testament to your craftsmanship. Make it perfect. We have reached the end of this video that we prepared from the production process. We will be covering real fabrication processes in upcoming videos. Let us know your thoughts on these techniques in the comments, and stay tuned for more professional welding content.